Go get some lunch. Okay, it's not this one, or that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. It's this one. It's a Prowler. Got an awning. It looks like it's in good shape. Air conditioning, furnace, outlets, plug outlets, storage, propane tanks, storage under the sink or shower, insulated pipes, holy, there's a doghouse. That's pretty big in there. It goes all the way to the other side. Looks like there's a door on the other side too. Some kind of stuff in here. Nice windows, no ripped screens. Airtight, Prowler. There's a little damage right here that's got to be fixed. Something else down here. Extend, retract. Oh, that could be for the taking out the tip out. There's a tip out. Or going up and down or something. There's the other door from the other side. More storage from this side. Your 12-volt batteries go there. Plumbing. This piece here, this should be easy to fix. It's not like anything underneath it. All it is wiring. This is it. That's all that's got to be replaced. And the light bulb for the wiring, which is down there. Okay. Ladder to go on the roof. Let's go look inside. I would take this water tank with it. Okay, there's steps. Pretty solid. Trailer is solid, that's not moving. It smells nice in here. No must. Alright. There's a microwave oven. When this tip out, this whole thing goes out. I guess, oh yeah, this is just the tip out that goes out. This whole brown thing. This is a whole room. Nice lighting. Nice couch. This couch turns into a bed. It's a bed. There's a little kitchen area. Gas stove, nice and clean. Sink. Kitchen utensils. So yeah, once it's tip out, lots of plug like outlets. Once its tip out goes out, then you can get to the microwave. Lots of cupboard space. Right on. So, like, if we're sitting here, and this thing goes out like 4 feet, it's like a big area to sit around and have a TV going up. A little bit of storage. There's a washroom, shower, with a fan, sink, cupboard. Nice big bedroom. I think it's a king size with cupboards and windows and a little dresser. Lots of space and storage. There's a little fan. Carpets are really nice, super clean, and there's no musty smell. Everything is dry. What was in here? Oh, another closet. Nice. Oh, and here's a stereo. Right on. Beautiful. Oh, for $1,500. I think I'm gonna buy it. There's your thermostat. Lights. Beautiful. I'll take that for $1,500 any day. Just a little work. What, you like it? Hey Daisy, you want to go check it out? Okay, let's go. See what you think. You like? You know like. Yeah, she likes. So you like the bed, eh? The bed is good, eh? Come on. What do you think of the kitchen? Yeah, living room's nice. And there's the kitchen. The floor is solid. Very solid, no, not mushy or anything like that. The thing doesn't move. Nice little kitchen area here. You can do a lot of work. So, I guess right here would be a fridge. So, I'll have to get a fridge. Yep, no fridge. It's okay though. Put a couple coolers for now. So that's it. Let's check out the outside. Opa. Pretty clean looking. Tires look good. Yeah. Look at this place. Holy crap. Heaven. Blue skies. Daisy sure likes it, eh? Hey Daisy? Pretty nice, huh? What he knows is a drone. Oh, it's a genie bottle. Rub one out. A genie. More property. Holy crap. Beautiful. More trailers. Oh, yep. This is it. Man shed galore. Beer on top. Fridge, kegs, music. It's a little dark, but oh, there's a stray keg. There's a little pile of wood right there. Probably get a fire going for a couple hours. Got this one going, and of course we got the grill. Gotta have the grill. Isn't it? Well, thanks for watching. That was a 1998 30-foot Prowler. If I buy it, I'll make some more videos on repairs. So that's it for now. Daisy, what are you doing?